Now this phantom wallet holds exactly $4.97 million, all from deving meme coins on my own, not by trading meme coins, not by luck, just by deving with this new strategy. Stick around, I'll show you exactly how it works. Now I used to buy into every single meme coin that looked good, but every single time that happened, I got completely dumped on. And bro, it happened over and over again, and losses kept stacking up on every single coin. Because if you guys didn't know, meme coins will eventually go down. That's how it works in this game. Then I realized the real winners are not buying in these coins. They're not profitable. But if you dev your own coins, you can become 100% profitable. Because when you launch, you set the supply, the timing, and the hype. You are the first ever buyer inside your own coin. And as a creator of these meme coins, you risk absolutely nothing of your own money because you are creating for free and then dumping for cash. But if you keep trading, you potentially risk to losing all your money. And right now, Bitcoin is at all-time highs, and Solana is currently fucking exploding. There is no better time to start launching than right now. And by the way, this is all for educational purposes only. Please do not copy me because I am not a financial advisor, and just copy the strategy but do not use it. Cap! Now if you guys didn't know, Pump.Fun just came out with a brand new feature where anybody can stream meme coins and make money off of it. For example, as you guys can see, there's fucking hundreds of streams every single hour just fucking grinding this shit out. And if I click on a random stream, like for example this guy right here, and then we go see how much he made off of his live streams, as you guys can see, he made $180,000 in the past couple of days. That's absolutely absurd. Now the downside is that people like you and me cannot make this amount of money because Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated now. Coins and live streams are flooding in non-stop and they're vanishing within minutes because there's too many people launching coins. And even if your token moves, you don't even own your own liquidity. For example, if I dev a meme coin on Pump.Fun and I'm up a couple $1,000s, I cannot even touch that money because it's Pump.Fun that controls the liquidity, not me. That's the worst part about it. And that's exactly why I found a brand new way that you can make a shit ton of money even better than live streams. And that's by using create token.Io, because on this website you control it all, and on top of that your coin launches straight to Radium instantly. Okay, it's migrated instantly and buyers can trade it from the second one once it's live. That's exactly why thousands of devs use create token.Io. Now on create token.Io, you've got two ways to dev a meme coin. The first way is to actually make it from scratch. So on the main page, you guys can see that you can create your own name, symbol, and image. Now first of all, go on X, right, or any social media platform that you know, and look for a trending meme. For example, Elon Musk reviews embed gave him 100 million to switch and sign. That's a good narrative. It's really recent and you could make a couple $1,000s off this coin. There's a bunch of different narratives that you can make a coin about. It's really fucking insane. Now for example, Elon Musk just made a tweet about Charlie, Trump and him, you know, just talking about it. That's good too. Chloe Park and Neon just made a collab stream. That could be good too, right? And then once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io and then just set the name, the ticker symbol, and upload a quick meme coin logo. So just take a screenshot of whatever and then just place it here, then click next, and you are live from a custom coin. But the second method though, that's my favorite method because it's the most profitable money wise, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now these coins right here are all buzzing on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is just copy them here and launch them instantly to Radium. And since the traffic and hype are already built into these coins, you'll see instant buyers and much higher profit potential right from the start. I would highly recommend to copy coins because bro, all of these coins right here already have a good narrative and a shit ton of buyers. But anyways, enough waiting. thing, let's actually dive a coin right now so you can see how fast it works and how easy you could potentially make some money. So first of all, connect your Phantom wallet to the website just like so, and then click on refresh list right here. Click this button to have all the new fresh coins, and let's look for a coin to copy. I like to go for anything, right, that gets my attention. I'm gonna copy the King of the Hill, which is the Unreal coin. It has a last buy 25 seconds ago, which is like borderline, right, and a $23,000 market cap. So I'm gonna click on create coin. Ignore the warning and the block warning from Phantom. It's completely normal, and then click on proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be copied. All you have to do is just wait. And then boom, if I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's minted on the blockchain, so it's live, it's all legit, the website works, but now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is pretty straightforward. We're just adding liquidity into the token so it can be instantly tradable on Radium for the public. This page is what Pump.Fun doesn't offer to you guys. Now the first step is for the amount token A. Just click on 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool, right under is for the amount token B. This is your first buy into your own coin. It is not money lost, it's just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, that SOL comes right back to you, and that's exactly why we have nothing to lose. Now for example, I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL, 0.35 SOL, which is a bit above the minimum just to keep it safe, and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh right under here to refresh the liquidity pool, and then if you scroll down, boom, the Unreal coin is now live. Our P&L is at $0 USD, and then if you click on refresh for a second time, now we're up $211 USD on this coin, which means people are actively buying the coin at the moment on the migrate section. Anyways, click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view. And now it's live. We're already up like fucking a couple $100. Oh my fucking god, it's pumping. Let's fucking go. Keep it up. Oh my god. Now guys, remember, do not be emotional. You have to remember that all this money, okay, all pure profits, okay? So do not be emotional. Oh my god, bro. Come on, pump. Oh my god! What the fuck? Okay, should I dump the coin? Actually, no. I'm gonna wait longer. What the fuck? It's still pumping. Oh my god, bro. I'm losing my fucking voice because it's absolutely insane. This is insane, bro. $2.1 thousand market cap. Things are looking good. The volume is insane. Now I'm gonna give this coin a couple fucking minutes, but that's the power of create tokens.io, and I'm gonna be right back after a couple seconds. And I am back. The coin is shooting the fuck up. We are at a $3.8 thousand market cap, $1.7 thousand in liquidity, a shit ton of volume, a shit ton of transactions, and we're still getting buys till this fucking time. It's actually insane. Now, if you want to make some money, come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button for a third time. And now we're up $1.6 thousand in P&L. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin by clicking the red button. And as you guys can see, I'm going to receive 7.45 SOL. Click on confirm right after. And boom! That's exactly how you devil meme coin and make some money better than Pump.Fun. If I open my Phantom Wallet to see exactly how much I made on the dot, boom! $1.6 thousand all in my Phantom Wallet. I'm not lying. Look, it's all fucking there. It's all legit. Let's fucking go. Now, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to join my Telegram down below and follow the steps.